What is going on, and welcome to another video. Join me today, guys. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. It's start of the week, and Bitcoin is still hovering on that 52,000 level. So where are we heading in the coming days? The market is pretty undecisive right now, but there are a lot of altcoins that are going to the moon. So if you don't want to miss the next altcoin that is about to pump, guys, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell. If you are ready, let's get to it.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so thank you so much for joining me today, guys. We have Emmanuel from Facebook watching from YouTube, rather. Let's go. Faisal is also joining us on YouTube, guys. Andres Jaworski, one of our Discord members. Also, Imtiaz, hello. Good evening, chill. Please share Filecoin and ICP updates. Spiros is also joining us. Hello, my friend. Jabalpur, Filecoin. All right, let's go check it out. Let's skip Bitcoin and let's jump in to Filecoin.
Let's go.
All right, so let's look at what is happening to the Bitcoin's price, guys, and let's discuss this one first. I have prepared several altcoins today, and we are going to check it before we end the stream. So if you have any chart requests, be sure to drop them in the comment section or in the chat section down below so I won't miss any of them. And let's get to it. So Bitcoin right now, again, is hovering on this very critical level. And if Bitcoin, guys, if Bitcoin breaks above 53,800 level, right now we have a huge liquidation at around that level, guys. So it is still likely that Bitcoin will continue to move up to this level, 53,000 dollars. We have actually around $400 million liquidation amount on that level. So be extra careful with your trades right now because market is pretty undecisive. Bitcoin is hovering on this zone resistance level. I think, again, in my own opinion, Bitcoin is due for a correction, guys. But let's see, I could be wrong, because if you're going to look at the chart right now, if Bitcoin breaks above this level, it is very, very likely that we could see that Bitcoin continue to move up. We don't have much resistance above this level. The next stop is going to be $58,000 up to $60,000 if Bitcoin breaks the 53,000 level. So right now we are still hovering on this zone resistance, guys. And if you check the previous price action, market is actually pretty undecisive on this level. So let's try to zoom in, guys. We have a lot of undecisive candles here. So we have this doji candle, which means the market could go up or down, pretty undecisive. Another doji candle on the second day here, and right now another doji candle is forming on the daily time frame. We have actually this order block right now forming at around 48 up to $50,000, holding it as a support. And of course, we have a lot of bullish news in the market that could potentially push the price higher in the coming days, especially right now. BlackRock, these big asset managers, BlackRock, Fidelity, are sucking all the Bitcoin in the market. And if you combine the 9 ETF ETF participants right now, they are accumulating around 10,000 Bitcoins daily, guys. And that is more than the new Bitcoin being created by the being mined by the miners. So there are a lot of demand right now compared to the supply, guys. So it is still likely that Bitcoin could potentially move up. But if you are going to look at, again, the indicators, the chart prime oscillator right now is in the overbought area. And we are again due for a correction. And if we're going to compare it on the previous price action, this coming 2 months post halving, guys, we could potentially see a major correction up to 30% if the previous price action will repeat, or if the history is going to repeat, guys. So probably in the next 2 months, we might see this correction up to maximum up to 32,000 level. If you're going to zoom out, we have this major support trend line, and that is going to be a major support for Bitcoin, guys. But for short term, we have actually a lot of smaller supports along the way. We have here at around 47 in confluence with the order block level here, around 27K or 40.9%. And another smaller support trend line at around 43,000, which is our target in the short term. We might get a short-term bounce back to 48, but eventually, if this price action will play out, if we get lucky enough, then we might see Bitcoin drop back near the support 2 level, which is around 32 up to $34,000. And the next 100 days, guys, next 100 days, probably we're going to do a sideways movement from 35 up to $60,000. And the next one is going to be very exciting, which is the parabolic run. So we are, if you're going to zoom out, this is the Bitcoin plan right now. This is my Bitcoin chart and Bitcoin price action in the coming months and years, guys. So if you have missed my previous analysis about Bitcoin, check out my Bitcoin video. I posted it yesterday. Check out my detailed analysis about Bitcoin and my buy zones in the coming months and years, guys. So right now, there is an airdrop, incoming airdrop, and if you want to trade Bitcoin, you can take advantage of this 500 USDT position from Bybit. You can go on a long or short position, and all you have to do is just to create an account using my referral link in the description down below. This is still ongoing countdown, 316 days right now. And you must hold at least $100 in your Bybit account. And all you have to do is just to click this link, fill up the form, and within 2 weeks, they will review and you can claim your 500 USDT airdrop. And you can go on a long or a short position on Bitcoin. And right now, Ethereum, we have talked about this several times, guys, on my stream. And right now, Ethereum is on its way to $3,000. And it is still likely that Ethereum could actually hit the 3,500 level. So be ready, guys. This is going to be explosive. And especially right now, Ethereum is on price discovery on the lower time frame. Look at this. We have actually break this resistance at 2,700, guys. Next target, it is likely 70%, I think, in my own opinion, Ethereum is going to hit this target, $3,000. And probably we could see that $3,500 in the coming weeks, guys, because right now we still have that Ethereum spot ETF, and that could be the next narrative, guys. The money could move from Bitcoin to altcoins and of course Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the biggest altcoin in the market, guys. So probably we might see 3,500 in the coming days and weeks for Ethereum. So don't miss out on this one. I have been talking about this since Ethereum was trading from this level, guys, 1,500. And then I have discussed about this. We have spoke about this when Ethereum was consolidating at around this level, 2,100 up to $2,300. And right now we are at 2,900, and maybe tomorrow or this evening we might see that $3,000 target.
Let's go.
So Ethereum ETF again is still cooking, guys. Trends ETH investors should watch as the ETF conversation heats up. So this is one of the latest posts here from Forbes. So Ethereum ETF is still the next possible narrative, and money could move from Bitcoin ETF to Ethereum ETF, guys. So don't sleep on this one. And if you want to trade Ethereum, and you need to watch out as well for ETC, because ETC moves twice as fast as Ethereum, guys. So ETC, this is the chart as predicted. Look at this. We have this previous buy zone at $19, and right now the ETC is trading at 27.
Let's go.
Crazy. So that was a beautiful, beautiful buy zone here, guys. We have actually seen the price pump up to $32 for ETC. But right now, I think it is still likely that we might see $42. $42. I think this is likely if Ethereum is going to break that 3,000 level. So watch out for this. Altcoin as well, ETC. Watch out. Keep an eye on this W recovery move here for ETC, guys. Look at this, following our price action very, very closely. 42 is still very much likely in my own opinion, and that is still like around 80% from the current price, and from our previous spot buy zone that is around 120%. So don't sleep on this two major altcoins. And also BGB, guys. We have talked about the $1 target this 2024, but we have hit the $1. It's only February. And I think it is still likely that BGB could hit the $2 area if Bitcoin is going to hit that next all-time high. So that is still a huge, crazy, crazy gains from the current price. That will give you around 100%. But if you were able to get in at 0.18, congratulations. That is a crazy 10x from our initial entry here. Of course, I've shared this entry and buy zone in our Discord community. And of course, if you are following me on Twitter, I have posted about BGB, guys. Could be the next BNB, but I have my targets. I have discussed it on my previous video. I think it's the title of the video is the next gem. So check it out under the on my previous videos, guys. And of course, congratulations to the user ID 493395. You are the next winner for the $100 giveaway in Fairdesk, guys. So if you wanna take advantage of this giveaway, all you have to do is just to sign up, create an account in Fairdesk, and of course open at least one trade in copy trade or futures trade or even spot trade, and you will get a chance to win $100. This will end on September, or this offer is based on first come, first serve, and the offer ends on the 26th of February 2024. Next one is Loom, guys. Keep an eye on Loom, because if you are going to zoom out, this is looking like a falling wedge pattern. And you know the target of the falling wedge pattern is the top of the wedge. And that will give us around 0.136. And if you are going to zoom out, on the daily time frame, so right now the oscillator is still looking bullish, guys, still looking bullish. And of course, if you are going to zoom out on the daily time frame, this looks like the price is still consolidating on this level right here. And we haven't seen that major move yet from Loom. So I think it is still possible that Loom could actually hit our target here, which is around 36% unleveraged gain, guys, from the initial entry zone. So keep an eye on Loom. If you are going to look at the weekly time frame, this is still looking very, very bullish, and we are looking at this 3-week bullish candle, probably 3 soldiers, guys. This is looks like forming a 3 bullish candle. So this could be the next target here. 0.1 will be our first TP for this trade, and final target will be the top of the wedge, which will give us around 36 up to 40% from the initial entry point here. We could see a possible retest on the weekly time frame, so it is still likely that the price would drop back to 0.96, but overall this is still looking very bullish on the bigger time frame. Look at this huge consolidation here. Let's see how it plays out in the coming days. But of course, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. We have also Mauricio joining us on YouTube, guys. Amen. Let's chill. Audio, please. So we have audio, Filecoin, API. What else do we have here? Pixel pumped hard. So let's go check out some of the chart requests, and we'll proceed with Q&A. I think we are done here with all the charts. So again, it is still likely that Bitcoin could revisit this 53,000 level because of this liquidation heat map level. And of course, if you're going to zoom out, Bitcoin right now, again, as explained, we are approaching this possible parabolic run, guys. We are approaching this parabolic run. This could be 500 days after halving. So looking at this Bitcoin chart here, this is going to be this is based on the previous Bitcoin's price action. So in the next 2 months, we could see that final shakeout and then sideways movement on the next 100 days, probably up to August. And then from August, we might see that parabolic run going to the next all-time high. So sit back, relax, and fasten your seat belt. So stock to flow model, we are right now on this level, and I'm expecting a short-term shakeout, probably up to maximum $32,000 and then a parabolic run. But short-term, we have actually several support, guys. So 47,000 will be the first support. 43 is going to be this target here for the smaller support trend line, and major trend line is going to be around 32,000 up to $34,000. So that is going to be my targets and reaccumulation zone for Bitcoin. Let's go to Q&A.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
Let's move on to Q&A. Let's go check out Filecoin from Jabalpur.
Let's go.
All right, so while I'm looking for the chart here, also don't forget to, don't be shy to smash that like button, guys. Filecoin. So Filecoin, we have talked about this previously, and we have actually hit our spot buy zone here for the short term. And right now we are up by how many percent? We're up by almost 60 or 50% from this spot buy zone. Look at this, guys. This wick right here have hit our entry at around 4.638 for Filecoin, guys. So what will be the next target for this? So if you're going to zoom out, this is still within this consolidation zone, guys. And we have actually a support trend line. Look at this support trend line. So probably we are approaching right now near this resistance level. But again, Filecoin has been consolidating in this zone, guys, for almost 700 days. And let's see how many percent is this swing trade. So this is around 250% if you are going to zoom out. But look at this. If you're going to zoom out on the bigger time frame in the next bull run, if Filecoin will break above this zone, guys, I think it's going to be explosive. And I think it is still likely that Filecoin will hit this target right here. And that will give us 500% from our initial entry point, guys. Thoughts on Casper long term from Musty. Can I still enter? Can you do algo chart as well? Arvin Giovanni. All right, so let's again for Filecoin, shorter time frame. Right now, the price is approaching this resistance trend line. So we might see a short-term rejection from this level, probably back to 6.2. And if Bitcoin continues to consolidate or move on a sideways channel, then it is still likely that Filecoin would continue to move up and revisit the top of this box or this consolidation zone. So this is going to be the next target. $10 for Filecoin, and retest area, let's say somewhere around 6.4. So let's go check out the 4-hour time frame. So this is going to be the next high risk entry point for Filecoin, guys. All right. Let's go check out the possible risk to reward ratio. Stop loss. Let's do a 5% versus 60%. So this is a good risk to reward ratio, guys. So possible retest if we can get a correction back to this level here. This is going to be my buy zone and long entry point for Filecoin, 6.29 up to 6.57. Again, we are approaching this resistance trend line around 7.42. So that's for Filecoin. Let me just share the chart in our Discord, guys. Cardano, possible double top. Dota, Rampage. So next one, let's go check out Cardano. Maybe we can catch the double top here. So we have this level right here as a support, guys, for Cardano or ADA. And we have actually a huge loud order block that will act as a support on this level. So probably we might see ADA continue to move up to this level right here at around 0.67. Retest area. Huge order block here, 0.57 for ADA, guys. And overall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we could see this looks like an impulse wave, guys. So this could be 1, this could be 3, 4, and 5. So possible impulse wave for ADA, and final target is going to be around 0.67, which is the previous pivot points here last December and December 12 and December 27 in the 4-hour time frame. So probably we might see a retest of this area right here, but overall looks like an impulse wave here. The third wave is the longest, and this first wave should be equal to this fifth wave, or it could also be equal to wave 3, but not bigger than wave 3. So this is looking like an impulse wave in the 4-hour time frame. So that's for ADA, guys. Possible long entry point here. 4% versus 14%. We can actually lower it down. All right. So possible buy zone and long entry point for ADA. Again, all charts in CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Let me just share this in our Discord. Check Algorand ICP chart from Peter Vasco, Rune. Let's go check out ICP. I think we have checked this one last time. Let's go check out ICP, guys. I think I have a chart for this one. ICP. We have already checked Loom, guys. So Loom, let's go check out our trade. So Loom looks like a successful breakout from this falling wedge. Just review the video. So let's go check out ICP. I think I have a chart on this one. I have made a chart analysis previously. Yeah, so for ICP, guys, bigger time frame, we have actually beautiful rejection from 14.75. Let's see. That's already 5% or almost 6% drop from our resistance and possible short entry for this bear flag. Possible bear flag here for ICP. So let's see how it plays out right now. If you are trading leverage, this is already up by 5% from the entry here on the top of the flag, guys. We've actually seen the price drop by almost 6%. So still the same until this will be invalidated if the price or the 4-hour candle close above $15. So that will be my invalidation. This is going to be my invalidation point here, 15.38 for ICP. For now, this looks like a bigger bear flag pattern here in the 4-hour time frame. Of course, our oscillator is already in the overbought area. Next one, let's go check out. I think for Rune, we have already hit our target, guys. Let me find my Rune chart. BNX, beautiful, beautiful long position for BNX. Same as with ACE, guys. All our trades are playing out very, very well. TLM, beautiful long position. Look at that. Crazy, crazy move from this initial entry, almost 33% up. So let me find Rune. We have initial trade setup for Rune, and I think the target was already hit. So let's try to check the update. And by the way, if you enjoy this kind of content, if you are into trading, and if you want to join our community, guys, I've shared several updates today in our Telegram community. So this is free public Telegram group. You can see all the chart updates here. And of course, all charts and CA that we are talking about during live, I'm posting updates in our free public Telegram group. And of course, if you want to join our community in Discord, check out the link is on the description down below. So for Rune, let's go check it out. I think we still have time. 34. Let's go check out Rune. Looks like a possible head and shoulders pattern actually for in the 4-hour time frame. So previously, not this one. We have this other chart for Rune. Maybe from Bybit. Yeah, so we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and our target was around $5, guys, and we have hit this 23%. And right now, this looks like forming a head and shoulders pattern. This could be the left shoulder. This could be our head here. And right now, you could still possibly get another revisit of this area right here. Or no. It looks like, let's see. Again. This is very, let's see, probably around this area. Looks ugly. So looking at the oscillator, we have actually a bullish divergence. Bullish divergence using chart prime here. So I think this could be the effect of that divergence. And right now the oscillator is looking bearish. So let's see if we can get one more retest of this area right here. And this right shoulder is in confluence with the order block, guys. We have actually very high order block on this level right here. So this is around 5.79. Let's have this zone right here, 5.7 up to 5.88. This could be a good short entry point for Rune if we can get a retest. So ideally, you would set your stop loss above this last candle wick for Rune, guys. So the next possible target will be this order block right here, around $5 up to 5.02 area. So this is going to be our TP. First TP here. Second will be this neckline. We have another support here. And up to $5 area for Rune, guys. So let's see if we can get this kind of price action in the coming days. All right, so let me share this chart in our Discord. FET and WLD. Let's see if we still have time. WLD. I think I have a trade for WLD today. WLD. So for WLD, I think we had one Discord trade today. Let me share it with you. For WLD, my initial entry was around 7.52. 7.52 area was the initial entry for this one. So let's see how this trade plays out. Let me open WLD. We have WWW. All right. So these are the next Fibonacci extension and resistance levels for WLD, guys. So what you can see, we got a beautiful rejection from this area right here. This is going to be the major target and possible reversal point for WLD at around 8.28. And of course, usually TA doesn't work on altcoins, especially if the market cap is low. But right now there are developments in WorldCoin, guys, because I think they are generating AI videos right now, astonishing AI videos actually. And let me share it with you one video. I think this is generated by AI. So here. So look at this. Looks very, very realistic, guys. This is actually generated video using artificial intelligence. So right now, WorldCoin, they have an update, and that update is you can generate videos using AI. So previously you have seen, I think the narrative for AI for the 2025-2024 bull market is going to be really crazy, guys. There will be a lot of AI coins that will come out, and I think that is going to make us a lot of access in this coming bull run. So right now my trade is going pretty well. my initial entry for WLD is around 7.5, and that is going to be a DCA short, guys. A DCA short position for WorldCoin. And Fibonacci golden ratio will be around 8.28. But right now, super bullish news coming out because this could be the reason for the pump. Targets will be back to this previous support. So first target will be 6.9 up to $7. But eventually, a lot will take profit, guys. And probably this will come back down up to $5 area. So possible price action. Let's see in the coming days if we can get that $5 target. H bar. Waiting for audio from Amen. Let's go check out audio before we end the stream, guys. I think he requested it from the start of the stream. Audio. Thanks a lot from Barbara and also Peter. You can convert that thank you into like. Just press that like, and I would really appreciate if we can hit 30 likes today. Let's go check out audio. So audio right now is hovering on this zone resistance, guys. We have a lot of trades on this level. And right now, we're seeing this sideways movement. Sell pressure above this level right here, because again, if you're going to look at the lower time frame, on the daily time frame, the oscillator is ready for a correction. So probably we might see the price drop back to lower level. Eventually, probably we'll revisit this area right here, back to this area. See how many percent is that going to be? 20%. Let's go check out the lower time frames. In the lower time frames, oscillator is still looking bullish because this is still above zero, guys. And of course, we have a lot of this order blocks here acting as a support for audio. So we have this support level. And also we have, I think, look at this very loud order block, 9.5 million audio is on this level, guys. And look at this buy pressure. When the price hit this level, it directly pushes the price back up. So probably we might see a retest of this smaller time frame. So on the daily time frame, the oscillator is ready for a correction, but that will probably play out in the next couple of weeks. For now, in the shorter time frame, we might see a retest of this area and probably move back up to this level right here. We have a huge sell pressure on this level. All right, so we might see this kind of price action, but eventually Let's see if we can get another retest of this major support trend line. If Bitcoin will drop, then probably we might see the price drop back to this level. For now, watch out for this shorter time frame support. This is going to be my trade setup for audio. So this is going to be my buy zone around 0.21 up to 0.23. Resistance and TP points will remain back to this level. And if we break above, then probably we might see the price hit this target right here. So let's go check out the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is still looking very bullish, guys. Weekly time frame is looking very bullish here. We got a beautiful bounce from the 0 level here. Let's see. Undecisive candle. So it is still likely. We are still forming higher lows here on the weekly time frame. So it is still likely that we might hit our final TP at 0.28 for audio. All right. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me daily. YouTube trader. Hello, master. How are you? What's the name of this indicator? By the way, all my indicator, I'm using Chart Prime, Market Dynamics Pro, Market Oracle Pro, and Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. This is, by the way, a invite-only script and paid indicator, guys. So if you wanna take advantage of Chart Prime or Chart Prime, so go open up Chart Prime. So Chart Prime is a paid indicator, guys, and you can take advantage of their risk-free 7-day risk-free trial, and you can get up to 50% discount. So this was previously $800 yearly, but right now you can get up to 50% discount if you're going to use my referral link in the description down below. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great night. Let's see how our trades play out in the coming days. Let's hope for the best, and I wish you all the best, guys, so we can probably make a substantial amount of profit in the coming bull run. So if you want to join my trades, if you want to stay up to date, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell. We are live daily from 7:30 to 9:30 daily, Mondays to Friday, and during weekend we also do chart analysis. And if there's any emergency update, you can check out the latest on my free public Telegram group, and of course you can join our Discord community. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.